Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Ailofy Smart TV Backlight. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to get a TV backlight for their room. And so essentially what I did was I tried the Ailofy TV backlight for our main bedroom. It was very easy to install. I simply just pasted the light strip around the TV. And because my TV is a thicker model or older model, the bottom hand side, the actual light strip actually presses against the wall. So don't blame the light strip just because you can't really see the bottom. That's more of like my TV's fault. But even so, just pasting the light strip around the side, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's able to, I'm very much pleasantly surprised that this is actually able to accurately match colors on the sides. And I'm glad that it's not just like one larger color. Now, I have tried my fair share of TV backlights before, and what's really good about this one is that you're able to actually calibrate it so that it tries its best to get the most accurate settings. So the camera sits on top, it's connected to the wall outlet, and there's an app. The app is very simple to use, it's integrated. You can set up timers for when you want this to turn on or off. So I manually had to turn this on, but normally I set the timer to make it so that this turns on every day at 4 p.m. and it turns off every day at 11 p.m. But it's great. I don't have to touch it. I just set the app once. I think it looks great. It just enhances the viewing experience. But check it out for yourselves, guys. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.